Usembot menteri rang mak jelaba preston ten song hakasi sejanul ong bau yap ye hadu kata ta ya ka program pen ko buram ya ki samla ba pas bha ka bala pelong do MLA ka Shillong South Bah Sanbor Shulai ya kani uba preston ulakran kum kongsan ha jinglang pen ko buram ya ki South Spa South Ngot ki samla pule ne Shillong South constituency ka ba la pelong ha State Central Library Shillong Usembot menteri rang ba ulo ong Balada jen baroh andro potri constituency kile kumne kanan ka jingkala ka bakrawan kenteu ya pule puthi ha ka jela agani ka snila sam hado nyok teli ki laptop bat ar potli ki tablet shagi samla ba pas khambha na lor ki we ki khusnam shagi samla ne ki long yeng badung ki ba pas bha bat kumjo ki samla bala I shiteng ki jingpule henry ki beteng biang bat pas bha Nakaliang Bah Sanbor abakran hakani kasni ula pente bakani ka de ka sien ka ba arpuar ba ki pelong ya ka ne ka jingsam khusnam ha ka ba man usnam ki dan de ki spangot ki samla ki ba shapen ko buram Bah Sanbor uya thoru ba ka dan ka khusnam ba kerpang na ka benta ki khon jang ki tu ki longyeng ki bamdan shu ki nong kamai henry ki pendapan ya ka jingpuli jang ki
I never thought that the occasion today, invited by my colleague in the government, my colleague in the assembly, is such a wonderful, well-organized function. I think before I proceed further, the credit goes to Bah Sanbor. I would also like to congratulate him for assuming the responsibility as part of the cabinet member in the government of Meghalaya. On the 16th evening, I remember this month, we had the oath taking ceremony in Rajpal. And Bah Sanbor, being your local MLA, he has done a good job. That's why he deserves this responsibility to serve not only your constituency, but to serve the state as a whole. With your blessing, he is asking today, and I would request all of you to further extend your blessing, your prayers upon him, so that he can further give the best services in his journey as a politician. Initiative taken by the organization under the leadership of the President, the executive members, I think has really increased the motivation to all the students of the Shillong South constituency. I just asked Bah Sanbor, is there any trend of increasing or decreasing the outcome of the examination, different examinations that we have annually? And he said, Bah Song, the trend is very good, very positive. It keeps increasing. 444 students is not a joke. Only from your constituency alone. We have 60 constituencies. I don't know my constituency how many hundreds we have. But I wish I should also follow your footsteps. And if 60 constituencies into by 444. I think you are all expert in calculation. You do it. Within 5 years' time, I think our literacy rate should have been 100%. But I think you are all aware that the literacy rate that we have right now, it is still not that satisfactory. 91, 92% right. And our target, by 2028, we should reach the destination of 100%. So I salute Bah Sanbor for this important program, because this message goes down not only to the students alone, but it goes down to the parents, to the community. We really need to encourage them. We have here all important dignitaries, I don't want to name, including the traditional heads, the Rambashnam. My only message for today's function is, let us, all of us, take the responsibility of building up a better MLA. And you will get a local MLA like Bah Sanbor who really spent time, who is really dedicated for your journey and your career. God bless my dear students. God bless Shillong South Conference, and God bless MLA. Thank you so much.
Each and everyone to stay at the state, our beloved Chief MLA. So thank you so much, sir. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all our beloved, respected principal, vice principal, student, teachers of various institutions who are present here today, and also to all my friends, respected Rangbashanong, Sketchishanong, and all members present here who are the leaders of traditional institution, and also all the invitees, dignitaries, and the parents, the guardians, the relatives of all the awardees of today, and especially all the students who are the awardees. You will be receiving this award, few categories, and there will be about 5 to 6 categories where laptop will be given to all the toppers of all the categories. That will be happen after the end of this award. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our friends from the electronic media and the printing press, who have spared a little time to cover this program. Thank you so much. It consumes itself to light the way for others. That is the message of our teachers. Looking at my right side, student. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. And we have also given a message regarding drugs. As a government, we appeal and request to each and every one of you to please come forward and cooperate with the government as to enable us to work as a team, as a family, to eradicate the drugs menace, the drugs trafficking.